In this video, I'm going to teach you how to interpret a stem and leaf plot. So if we have a problem like this that says the stem and leaf plot shows Niall's test scores, use the data in the graph to find the test scores that were greater than 99. And the key is when you see a 9 and a line and then 6, that equals 96. So the key is important because it helps you understand how to read the stem and leaf plot. So understand that in a stem and leaf plot, the first part of the number is the stem and the last digit of the number is the leaf. So the last digit is the leaf. So all these numbers here are the last digits of the test scores. Now find the row that shows test score of 99. It's this one here. So this is 99. If we use this key, and remember this is the last digit, then the test score of 99 is this one. So that means all of these ones are greater than a test score of 99. So now we can just count the leaves that have stems of 10 and 11. So that's just all of these ones here, right? So that's these. So we need to find the test scores that were greater than 99. So now the test scores that were greater than 99 were 102, 103, and 103 appears 3 times. So 103 and then 103. And then we have 108, and then we have 109, 108, 109. Then we have 111, 113, 115, and 117. And those test scores were greater than 99. And that's it. That's how you interpret a stem and leaf plot. It's not very complicated. And don't worry if you didn't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. In the description, you'll find a link to my ebook. You could download it. And in the ebook, you'll find a link to this lesson. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.